In this video, I'm going to explain a few of the most common ways to download an extension that's open source for DNN. In many cases, the open source project might have a website. As you can see here, this website has many open source extensions, and each of them has either a homepage, a download link, and maybe even the source code package itself, or maybe even a video. Sometimes the extension might have more of a sign-up process, like with Hotcakes Commerce. So in the case of Hotcakes Commerce, you might fill out the form, click the button, and then get a download link or be redirected to where the download is. If you find yourself on GitHub itself, this could be confusing if you're not a technical user using GitHub on a regular basis. When you end up on the homepage for any particular project, you can simply go to the Releases link right here. When you click on Releases, you can find the most recent release at the top. As long as it says latest release and it doesn't say something like beta, you can go ahead and download the extension and then install it into your DNN website. If you find yourself using Google or another search engine and you end up on any other page within the project, simply click on the code link and then you'll find the releases link once again. That's all there is to it.